Hi all, Mads Barnkop from Kaizer Electronics here. Now my good old coffee mug, push button receive lighting has followed me for some 5 to 6 years, so it's time to upgrade or at least get some more coffee mugs. And I have had this merchandise shop available on my YouTube channel for quite a while now. I have sold one piece of merchandise, so in order to quadruple that I have ordered 3 new mugs myself. 3 of the different designs, so I'm just going to unbox these new coffee mugs and let's check it out, and maybe you get There's no need to clean the work table in order to unbox some new coffee mugs. So let's just take the first box here. It's from Teespring, based in the Netherlands. I did actually not know that. So let's see what we have here. That looks like the Danger high voltage cup. So not a lot of packaging, but let's see how is the print quality here. A lot of packaging dirt on it, but that looks nice. Danger high voltage. Dishwasher safe, CE marked. Feels like an okay quality. How does that test compared to this? Well, I'm no ceramic expert, so it doesn't even make sense to be hitting it, but that looks nice. So let's take the next one. Ooh, the full logo Kaizer Power Electronics mark. Wow, that's really full of dust. Wow, that came out weird. So the logo, that looks actually pretty nice. Good detail in it, but I'm not sure how much I like this just like black, almost black mug. Well, that could have been better, but that's more with my design to do than the actually manufacturing quality. And then we have the regular high voltage sign cup here. Nice. So this is dishwasher safe as well, but as you can see, the ones with full image print, not dishwasher safe and not CE marked as well, so perhaps I should not drink coffee from this. So at least I could advise on buying these 2 mugs, but stay away from that one. I hope I got you interested in buying a mug. You will be supporting my channel with €2 per mug that you buy, and I think it's €1 to €2 in profit for me for each product that you find in the merchandise shop. But only buy it if you really do need a mug. If you really want to support me, there are better ways like memberships and such. But until next time, see ya.